Hey, thanks for checking out WeatherBug on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Today we're talking about a high-amplitude weather pattern. What does that mean, and how is that making our weather so interesting for a few spots while places are not so interesting? Blizzard potential in the Midwest, and we're talking about the West staying very warm and dry. I want to thank my brother-in-law, actually, Aaron Widener, for this shot. And this is over San Diego. Lots of clear skies out there. He's out there for business, but enjoying some 80s. In fact, the state of Washington had all-time record highs in a few spots earlier this week on Monday, but these are the snow-capped mountains of the Cascades over Washington state. A nice shot from the airplane there. All right, so the high-amplitude weather pattern is affecting our weather because we have this jet stream that lifts well north into Canada and then dips well south into the lower 48. And when you have that type of weather setup, typically from west to east, you don't have any change. So what you see is typically what you get. It's different from a zonal flow, which the upper level winds go from straight west to east. So because of that northwesterly flow in the Midwest and the central part of the country, clipper systems have been making a frequent return. And we've had a couple of them moving through. One is dropping temperatures across the state of Florida, freeze warnings and freeze headlines. As we take into the southwest, staying very dry. We also are looking at some red flag warnings, even for the Sierra Nevada mountains. But then the Midwest, we're dealing with some blizzard warnings through tonight through the rural areas of western Minnesota, eastern North and South Dakota. With two more systems, one today and one Saturday, we have as much as 2, 3, 4 inches of snow that can't be ruled out there. So again, that's what we'll be watching. And again, as we take you through the future, clipper systems rolling through the east, that's where we'll have most of that precipitation, and it stays a little bit cooler to the east as well.